Today I will share with you how I incorporate onion juice into my shampoo to boost hair growth while washing my hair. This is a hack that guarantees blood flow to the scalp. If you do not want to use onion juice directly on your scalp, then this is an option you should try out. This works like magic. Onion is something you shouldn't be sleeping on if you're ready to grow out your hair fast. When it comes to growing out hair very fast, leave it to onion. Onion is rich in sulfur, which is what your hair needs to thrive, antioxidants and antimicrobial property that can help boost hair growth, improve scalp health, and reduce hair fall. There are different ways to incorporate onion juice into your hair care regimen to help you grow out your hair very fast. The first, which is what everybody knows, is to apply the onion juice directly on the scalp, while the second one is to infuse it into an oil. The third is making an onion tonic by infusing it into your glycerin or vinegar. The fourth is onion powder. Here you can dry out your onion and then mix it into your clay mask. The fifth is onion probiotic booster. This is made by fermenting your onion into water for 3 to 5 days. The sixth is onions infused hair growth butter. The last one, which is onion shampoo, is what I'm going to be showing you guys in this video. To get started with the onion shampoo, you're going to need an onion, wash and cut into chunks. For those who hate the smell of onions on their hair, at the end of this video, I'm going to show you what you can use to completely get rid of the smell. So you don't have any excuse not to try out this, because this really works. Onions is rich in sulfur, a key nutrient needed to produce keratin, the protein that makes up your hair. Sulfur boosts blood circulation to the scalp, waking up dormant hair follicle and promoting faster and thicker hair growth. Now that I'm done cutting it into chunks, I'll quickly put this into my blender to crush it. You can use a grater if you do not own a blender. The antioxidants in onions fight free radicals that weakens the hair root. It strengthens the hair from the roots, reducing breakage and excessive shedding. Anytime somebody comes to ask me what they can do about their dandruff, I'm always very quick to recommend onion juice because it truly works. It has been my saving grace for over 3 to 5 years now. Onion has antibacterial and antifungal properties that kills dandruff and reduce scalp itchiness, flakiness, and build-up. You notice how I did not say reduce dandruff. I say kills dandruff. That is how powerful onion juice is. Now I am done blending this. Just make sure you don't add any extra water because onion already contains enough water. If you add water, you're going to be diluting it, and we don't want it diluted. That is why it is best to use a grater or a blender that you don't need to add water for you to be able to blend. Now that we've gotten our onion juice, the next thing is for us to add any shampoo of your choice. Add as much as you want into the onion juice and then stir it until it is properly combined. The natural compound in onion juice improves blood flow to the scalp that nourishes the hair follicle and ensures they get more nutrients and oxygen. With regular use, this onion shampoo will help your hair become shinier, softer, and more voluminous, thanks to the improved moisture balance and healthier follicle. So if you want to supercharge your shampoo, add onion juice to it, and this is killing 2 birds with 1 stone, because it will not just clean your hair, it will boost blood circulation to the scalp, ensuring that your hair gets the nutrients that it needs for your hair to start growing. Just use this for a period of 1 month and you'll be so shocked about what will happen to your hair. If your hair is balding, if your hair is thinning out, with regular use of this onion shampoo, your hair will start regrowing, especially the edges and the crown. If you're having receding hairlines, your hair is moving to the back, just start to use this and gradually your hair will start growing back. This also balances your scalp pH. Onion shampoo helps maintain a healthy scalp environment that encourages hair growth. There's a lot this simple recipe can do for you, only if you actually give it a try and be consistent with it. I'm just going to transfer this into my applicator bottle, then I'll show you guys how I use it on my hair. I like to use everything I make on this channel on my hair so you guys can see that it is totally safe, and I also use it. I don't just make video for people to view. I actually use everything and it has worked so well. My hair is not dirty because I washed it few days ago, but for the purpose of this video I need to demonstrate to you guys how I use this, so that is why you see me using it. All I did is that I applied it on my hair and then I massage it with my finger, just like you would do when you're washing your hair. I can already feel the tingling sensation on my scalp, which is why I love onions so much. It shows that it is stimulating blood to your scalp, and that is exactly what you need for your hair to start growing. If after washing and you still notice the lingering smell of onions, because yes, it is always there, you can neutralize this with apple cider vinegar. Dilute 2 to 3 tablespoons of apple cider vinegar in water. Use it to rinse your hair. Another thing you can do to neutralize the smell is adding a drop of lavender oil or peppermint. You can drop it in your rinse out water or your leave-in conditioner. These essential oils are strongly aromatic and can mask foul smell. Another thing you can do is to add lemon juice in your rinse out water. Lemon is acidic in nature, which cuts through bad smell and leaving it smelling nice. You can also use rose water to get rid of the smell. Spritz your hair with rose water after washing. Now that we have stated how to properly get rid of the smell completely from your hair, now let me tell you how to properly use this to ensure you get the utmost benefit. If you don't use it the right way, it might not work. You might not see the result. To make this work, you're not going to apply it and wash it off immediately. You're going to give it at least 10 to 15 minutes to sit on your hair. You can cover it with a plastic cap or a shower cap. Let it sit on your hair for about 15 minutes or more, then go ahead and wash it out with plain water. If after doing everything the smell still lingers, you can repeat the apple cider rinse again. We have finally come to the end of this video. If you learned one or two, please consider smashing the like button, subscribe if you haven't done so, like, and also share to people who you think might benefit from watching this video. By sharing, you are helping me grow because YouTube is going to show it to more people. Thank you for watching and see you in my next upload. Do have a lovely day. Bye bye.